Starting with the glorious and compassionate name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Indeed, He is the omnipresent and the omnipotent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. Let us start with our today's lecture of discussing MCQs from MCQ number 41. See the top of the page, that is started with MCQ number 41. Let us take the start. In dash, the General Assembly of the United Nations unanimously adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in dash in 1947, in 1949, in 1948, in 1946. So please correct. One option is needed to be selected. Then MCQ number 42. This charter was approved on dash December dash and made public. This charter was approved on dash December dash and made public on 10th December 1948, on 9th December 1947, on 10th December 1949, on 8th December 1946. Then part 43. Kith and kin means friends, enemies, close relatives, companions. See, I told you to go through the text thoroughly as well as go through the book exercises again and again. Clear? So all these MCQs are taken from there. So kith and kin means friends, enemies, close relatives or companions. Then abolish, part 44. Abolish means establish. Abolish means bring to an end. Abolish means execute. Abolish means stop. Select the correct one option, the best possible, the best suitable answer for it. Clear? Then part 45. Inhabited means lived, dwelled, occupied, migration. Part 46. Harmony means similarity, disunity, peaceful existence, discord. Harmony means similarity, disunity, peaceful coexistence or discord. Part 47. Objective means aims, hopes, wishes, longings. Part 48. Dash is exciting, especially if you catch a big wave. So, surfing, skipping, cycling, hiking. Then part 49. Dash is strenuous on mountain trails. Racing, hiking, skipping, cycling. Then part 50. The thief admitted dash the priceless painting. Making the priceless painting, painting the priceless painting, stealing the priceless painting or hiking the priceless painting. So you need to go through all the exercises, the units attentively, thoroughly, and then it will be really very easy for you. It will be a kind of activity for you. Clear? So you need to select the suitable answer for it. Clear? Then part 51. Every year Nasiruddin Day is celebrated in dash with great pomp and show. in Turkey, in Russia, in Bukhara, in Iran. Part 52. The dash in which he lived is not exactly known. The time, the era, the age, the period. Part 53. There are even doubts about the dash of his birth. There are even doubts about the dash of his birth. The time, the century, the country, the place. Then part 54. The latest claim is that of the dash, who say that he was born in Bukhara. The latest claim is that of the Iranians, the Russians, the Turks, the Chinese. So go for the correct one option and write it opposite to the serial number of the MCQ. Clear? Then part 55. Several volumes of his stories about Nasiruddin have been published in dash. Several volumes of his stories about Nasiruddin have been published in dash. In China, in Russia, in Iran, in England. Clear? Then part 56. In Russia, a dash has been published in Urdu and Pashto. In Russia, a dash has been published in Urdu and Pashto. A book, essay, novel, magazine. Clear? Then part number 57. Have you ever seen an elephant with a white skin? The underlined part is dash phrase. With a white skin is noun phrase. With a white skin is adjective phrase. With a white skin is adverb phrase. With a white skin is gerund phrase. So go for the suitable answer. Then part 58. Wild beasts in small cages are a sorry sight. The underlined part is dash phrase, adjective phrase, noun phrase, adverb phrase, or gerund phrase. Part 59. Maria came to me in a very dash state. Maria came to me in a very emotional state, emotioned state. So you need to select the correct and the suitable answer for it. Clear? Then part 60. I wish I had dash powers. I wish I had dash powers. I wish I had magic powers. I wish I had magic's powers. I wish I had magical powers. I wish I had magical powers. So you need to select the suitable answer for it and write it in front of the serial number of the MCQ. Clear? You need to practice it again and again. It will really benefit you. It will really help you out when you are going to attempt the objective part of your paper. Clear? This is enough for today. Your today's homework is to do and practice all these MCQs that we discussed today. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.